upbeat music playing in the background. Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you spend your hard-earned cash wisely. Today, we're diving into the world of steam cleaning with two contenders battling it out for your floor's affection: the Shark S5003D Genius Steam Mop on my left and the Steam & Go 10-in-1 Steam Mop on my right. Now, if you're wondering, why do I need a steam mop? Well, folks, if you've ever tried to scrub a floor and ended up looking like you just participated in a mud wrestling match, you know how essential these bad boys are. So, let's get steamin'. First up, let's talk about the price. The Shark S5003D is going to set you back about $129. Reviewers have mentioned that while it may be pricier, the extra steam option and features like dual-sided cleaning make it worth the investment. On the flip side, the Steam & Go comes in at a more wallet-friendly $99. Many users appreciate its affordability, especially given its versatility and effectiveness. If you're looking to save some bucks, Steam & Go might just be your new best friend. Next, let's talk about water tank capacity. The Shark S5003D has a 220 milliliter tank, enough to make a decent cup of tea, but not enough to fill a kiddie pool. Reviewers noted that while it cleans effectively, you'll be refilling it frequently. Meanwhile, the Steam & Go has a dual tank system, one for water and one for detergent. Users love this feature because it allows for continuous cleaning without needing to refill constantly, making it a more convenient option for busy households. Now, let's get into functionality. The Shark boasts a genius head with direct steam channeling, which many users find makes cleaning tough stains a breeze. However, some reviewers have pointed out that it's essentially just a mop with fancy features. On the other hand, the Steam & Go is a 10-in-1 wonder. Reviewers rave about its versatility, transforming from a mop to a handheld steamer, making it suitable for various cleaning tasks around the home. It's like the Swiss Army knife of steam cleaning. Let's not forget about reach. Shark S5003D has touch-free technology, which means you won't have to touch those dirty pads, a feature that many users love. However, the Steam & Go offers a whopping 20-foot power cord, which is a major plus for users who want to clean large areas without feeling tethered to a wall socket. Reviewers appreciate this extra reach, especially when trying to clean multiple rooms without switching outlets. Overall, the Shark S5003D Genius Steam Mop is praised for its effectiveness and ease of use, especially on stubborn stains, while the Steam & Go 10-in-1 Steam Mop is recognized for its versatility and affordability. Both products have their strengths, catering to different cleaning needs and budgets. So there you have it, folks. The Shark S5003D is the classy, high-tech option for those who don't mind spending a little extra for the name, while the Steam & Go is the budget-friendly, multifunctional hero that's ready to take on any mess. Which one would I choose? Honestly, it depends on whether I'm feeling fancy or frugal. But ultimately, it's all about what fits your cleaning style. Remember, it's not just about getting clean, it's about having fun while doing it. So which steam mop are you leaning towards? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a chance to buy smart. Until next time, keep it steamy and keep it smart. Outro music fades out. End screen with subscribe button and video recommendations.